Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this, or how to prepare these coconut shrimps. This is a very simple recipe but very delicious. Like, it tastes so delicious, guys. So I hope you give it a try. Now let's get to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using some shrimps. You can use fresh or frozen shrimps to do this. Just get a bigger shrimps, okay? So inside there I have some flour, garlic powder, and paprika with salt. That is 1 egg, and there I have some homemade breadcrumbs and coconut flakes, some salt. You will also be needing some sparkling water, but if you don't have sparkling water, you can use normal water. In case you don't know what sparkling water is a gas water, okay? So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is to make my batter. So I'm going to be adding that sparkling water into the mixture of flour, garlic, and paprika with salt. The consistency should be not too thick and not too running, in between too thick and too running. So I'm going to be adding 1 egg into the flour as well. Mix everything together, okay? I'm not going to be giving you measurements of water here. You just have to figure it out, but I'm going to be showing you the consistency that all the shrimps. Now I added baking pepper into my plate. So I'm going to be allowing these shrimps to rest in the freezer for 40 to 50 minutes. This is to help give them that crunchy texture that you'll be looking for. So I tried frying one, but my oil wasn't hot enough, so I stopped. And now, as you can see, the oil is hot. I'm going to fry all the shrimps into the oil. And one good thing about this recipe is that you can actually prep them and leave them in the freezer until the day you are going to be making them. So you don't even have to follow all the process, just prep them ahead of the time. So I'm going to fry both sides of the shrimps until they are golden brown. Then Guys, here is me trying to test because the aroma was so good. So yes guys, that is all for this video guys. I hope you enjoy watching. This is the final result. You can have them with any sauce of your choice, like any sauce of your choice, and this is so delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Like I said, this is not hot sauce and not sweet sauce. It's between sweet and hot sauce. You can get them at your supermarket, or you can make them by yourself, but I got mine from the supermarket here. So yes guys, enjoy yourself, enjoy cooking, happy cooking. See you in my next one. Bye.